welcome to Breathe Inspire Yoga, or welcome back. Grateful you are here. I'm Tammy. Today will be a few minutes of beginner poses for yoga. Let's find a comfortable seat, however that is comfortable for you. In Sukhasana, easy seat, or extending your legs in front of you if that feels better for your body. Close the eyes. Take a moment to set an intention for your practice. Every day we step on the mat is different, so honor where you are today. Maybe you bring in an affirmation: I am present in this moment, grounded and serene. I am present in this moment, grounded and serene. Let's begin to warm the body. Exhale, chin to chest. Relaxing the tension with the exhale breath. Inhale, rise back to center. Exhale, right ear to right shoulder. Breathing in through the nose, out through your nose. Inhale, center. Exhale, left ear to left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, circle your head. Nice and easy with your breath. Circle in the other direction. Next time your chin is at heart center, inhale, rise up. Exhale, inhale, shrug the shoulders to the ears. Exhale, down your back. Move with your breath. One more. Relax back in the center, hands by your hips. Turn the right palm up. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, stretch over to the left. So we're stretching the side of the body. Relax your hip as much as you can. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, right hand rests. Turn the left palm up. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, stretch over to the right. Left hip rests as much as it's available to you. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, rest the left hand. Hands under the knees, guide them in. Let's transition into tabletop. If you have knee or wrist sensitivity, you can bring a blanket for support underneath the knees, wrists, or both. Line the wrists underneath the shoulders. Fingers are wide. And knees underneath the hips. Tops of the feet gently pressing into the mat. Cat, cow. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the chin. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. One more. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Come back to neutral. Child's pose. Take the knees wide. Toes touch. Sit back towards your heels. You can bring the blanket underneath the feet or in between the legs for more support. And then stretch the arms out in front of you. Create space between the hands to rest the shoulders. Or you can bring one hand on top of the other and rest your head. Find your child's pose. Breathe here.
Slide your hands under the shoulders, press through the palms, roll up through the spine.
Walk your hands back out to tabletop position. Knees back into your table. Tuck your toes, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Bend your knees. First one of the morning. This is a nice stretch or wherever you are in your day. Relax your head between your arms. Press through the palms. Feel the hips rise to the sky. Breathe in. Breathe out. Next, inhale, bend your knees. Gaze at your hands. Step your feet up towards your hands. Take the feet a little bit wider than hip distance. Exhale, fold. Relax your head. Bend your knees. Just let the upper body be heavy here. Let gravity do its thing. Next, inhale, roll up through the spine. Roll the shoulders up and down the back a few times. Step to the top of your mat. In mountain Tadasana pose. Feet can be hip distance apart, or you can bring the toes to touch. Inhale, stretch the arms. Exhale, fold, relax your head. Inhale, look forward, hands to the shins. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll up, arms over the head or hands to the hips when you come up. Exhale, relax your arms. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, relax your arms by your sides. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward, hands to shins. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, relax the arms by your sides. Step the right foot back into extended side angle. Bend into the right knee. So we're taking the feet wide, moving into our hips and legs. Rest the right forearm on top of the right thigh. Extend the left arm up and then reach over, extending out through the fingertips, or hand comes to the hips if you have shoulder issues. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, come back up to a T position, relax the arms. Turn the right toes in, so we're transitioning to the other side. Left toes face the front of the mat. Bend into the left knee. Relax the left forearm on the left thigh. Stretch the right arm up and then reach over. So we're extending through the side of the body. Breathe here. Remember, your hand comes to the hip if you have shoulder issues. Inhale, come back up to center. Exhale, relax the arms. Press into the left foot and then step up to the top of your mat, or however you find your way up to the top of your mat. Inhale, stretch the arms up. Exhale, fold. Uttanasana, this forward fold. Inhale, look forward, hands to the shins. Exhale, hands to your mat, bend the knees if you need to. Step both feet back into modified plank, so bending the knees to the mat. Exhale, come all the way down into Sphinx posture. Elbows underneath the shoulders. Stretching out through the lower spine. If that's too intense, you can walk the hands out or
Come all the way down, resting your forehead on your hands.
Breathe here.
Exhale, relax all the way down. Hands underneath the shoulders. Press through the palms up to table.
And sit back. Take the knees wide to child's pose.
Extend the arms out, or you can rest your arms alongside the body. Hands underneath the shoulders. Press through the palms. Roll up through the spine.
Bring your feet to one side. Have a seat. Turn the palms up. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, turn the palms down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Rest your hands on the knees or thighs. Close the eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. I hope you enjoyed this little yoga practice. Thank you for showing up for yourself. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Namaste.